So what's up, guys? John from Heavyset Tactical. Today's one of my favorite days. Got a bunch of new knives in today. This is my first knife from Vosteed knives. Really excited to check out. This is the Vosteed Mink in Nitro V steel. Oh, cool little package. Guys, this is the Vosteed Mink, a knife that has strangely been hitting my suggestion pool quite a bit from some very reputable YouTubers that I respect quite a bit. Oh man, that was just that rattling. No rattling whatsoever in that Kydex. What a great little Nitro V frag pattern G10